Hello everyone. I know you more than likely can't see me, but I'm right here. Hello. This is my late November / early December packing vlog for Walt Disney World Park in Orlando, Florida. Okay, so as you see, I've got this thing over here. All these are, I'm not going to take them out because there's like so many of them, but they're just different little cards that are like cast member appreciation things. So somebody does something nice, I'll just hand them a card and a little thank you gift. So I'm going to forgot to get my clothes over here. Now, a lot of these are named with the park on them. Like, this is my Hollywood Studios outfit. I got it when I was in Marceline. Just has some different things on it. So, Main Street, USA, the Coke Wall, the Dreaming Tree, the Walt Disney Hometown Museum, and it says Marceline, Missouri at the bottom of it. It's just, I got it at Marceline. I would wear it to Magic Kingdom, but they were going to Magic Kingdom. My aunt and I are matching, which I've taken her with me, so I wanted to wear this still because it was good and I didn't want to wear it anywhere else. So I'm like, I'll just wear it to Hollywood Studios. So, there's that, and it's got my socks for the day, and it's got some underwear in there. I'm not putting my jeans or shorts in there because I'm going to wear all my shorts and stuff, so there's that. Okay. Next today is Animal Kingdom. This is a Pooh t-shirt that says, honey. See that right there. I have a Simba Hakuna Matata shirt somewhere. I think it's at my dad's house. So if I can find it, it'll replace this shirt. But if not, it's Pooh. Pooh is an animal, so technically it'll work. So I'm just going to pull that under, pull that on top of Hollywood Studios. The next day is special, so we're not doing anything in the morning except for a breakfast. I'm doing the Keep Me Cafe character breakfast. I'm wearing this Peter Pan shirt. It just says, "Don't grow up, it's a trap." And then we're doing the Christmas party, Mickey's Very Merry Christmas party in the night. So I'm wearing this, but I have a matching shirt from my aunt, so that's what we're wearing there. It just says 2019 Girls Trip on it, and it's got a little castle logo with the ears on it. So put that next there. And then the next day, I don't have anything planned. We might go to I don't know, play mini golf or go to the movies or something like that. It's just a rest day outfit. It's got a stained glass effect for the Beast Castle. Kind of nice. There's that one. The next day after that is Epcot. I have this shirt, the yellow Christmas party shirt I got, and this shirt I got all both on Etsy. I'll link the shops down below if I can find them, but this is just a white standard shirt, and it just says Best Day Ever on it. That one. And then finally, Magic Kingdom. This is another Marceline shirt that we both got. Hers is red, mine is pink. And it's from one of the best diners I've ever been to in Marceline. It's called Ma Vic's. If you ever go to Marceline, you have to eat there. It is to die for. So I've got that shirt because we're doing the Marceline Magic Kingdom tour on this date. So I have to wear a Marceline shirt if I've been to Marceline. You know, just makes sense in my eyes. So those are them. Then I've got my pajamas. And then, like I said, here's 2 of the 3 shorts I'm bringing. And here's another pair of shorts, along with some, like, undershirts in case I need them for my shirts. There's that. That's all nice and packed up. I do have some extra underwear and extra bra and things like that, but I'm not going to put those in there so you don't see them. So, that ended up doing really well. I like how that's all in one spot. So next, I've got these ponchos. There's 5 of them in there, all different colors. I think it's supposed to rain at least one day while we're there. Typically rains every day, but like more than just 5-10 minutes. So there's that. And then I've got a little liquid. This is a carry-on. Not carry-on. This is obviously a what are those things called? Not a carry-on, but a stove luggage or whatever. It's the one that you give them. Whatever those are called. I forgot the name of it. If I remember it, I'll put it on the screen. But I've got some sunscreen, Blue Lizard. This stuff is amazing. Yes, it is baby, but it is really good. The best thing about this is that if it's exposed to UV rays, it turns blue. So you know the word I'm looking here. I've got some other sunscreen.
Checked
White Tropic. This is basically for my face. It's just a spray. This is for my face. And then I've got some Everspring essential oil. It's a pellet. So shouldn't have to need this, but just in case I do, I want to have this. That. Then let's see. This is like 1 pair of shoes. I still have a few days left before I go, so I'm going to put 1 pair in here. This is my Nike Tangents. I'll put a picture of them up on the screen so you guys can see what they look like. Those are going to go there. These are the other pair of rigging. They're very much worn out. I took these for my last trip in 2017, and those, I wore these the entire week, every single day that I went. Didn't have any foot problems, so I'm hoping same thing will happen this year, but we'll see. So, I'll put these back by the door because I'm still going to need them this week. Okay. Next thing I'm going to put is up in the top again. I'm not a pin collector. These are actually not Disney World pins at all, but I got them. I got the lanyard and the pins from Hot Topic like a couple years ago, I think. It just has some little pins. It's got like Doug from Up, and it just says, "I love you, you are my best friend." Then I've got Stitchy, Goofy Movie, The Perfect Cast, another Stitch, then we've got Ariel and Flounder, and then Fox and the Hound, and then on the other side we have Finding Nemo, I'm Fluid and Whale, another Goofy Movie one, Night Before Christmas, Lion King, and Beauty and the Beast. So I think a few of these have fallen off because they used to be pretty even in terms of the sides. I think at least one of these has fallen off. I'm going to put this back up in that big section here. Just a second. Put that in there. The next thing I want to put in here is my Disney branded cooling towel. I got this when I went to Disneyland. I think it was last year. Pretty sure, no, July of last year. It was unseasonably hot, up in the hundreds plus, which you'd think would be normal for July, but actually their hottest month is October, so it was unseasonably hot for them. Okay, and the next thing I've got here is my little hip pack. I got this off Amazon. I'll link it down below as well. It's a water flight. It's got a really big pocket here, 2 smaller pockets in the front, and then a larger pocket in the back, so you can store like your phone or your credit cards in the back if you want to keep them secure. So that's all I'm going to put up there. My next item are these 2 little elf headbands I got from the dollar store. Apparently we're not. We got red with green and green with red. But they're very cute, just for the Christmas party. They jingle a little bit, and so they're really nice. So put those on top here. Okay. I've got some gallon and quart size bags in case I need to put anything in a baggie or take baggies with me for Florida rides or things like that. Next, I've got this giant water canister with me. I love this thing. This thing keeps ice for over 24 hours. Like, it's not going to be very big ice. It's not going to be the exact same, but it's still going to be ice in there. So, put that in there, like right here. Excuse me. And then I've got my little first aid station here. Okay, I've got a couple different blister pads. Got Band-Aid, Hydro Seal, blister heals. I've got some Mickey Band-Aids. I've got Foot Glide. Which I've got to see. I know I've got Body Glide somewhere. I don't know if it's here at my dad's house, but if I don't have it, it's whatever. I'll do what I can do. But this will put the blisters as well. Then if I ever do get a blister, I've got this Neosporin foaming liquid. And last but not least, the ever so needed Motrin. And I don't have toothpaste right now. I have to go to the store and get toothpaste, as well as like snacks for the little play and stuff. But toothbrush and nail spot, and then the last thing that's going to go in my toward underneath, like I was just looking at one name of it. There's these glow sticks. I've got these from Amazon as well. Again, anything that I got online, I will make sure if I can find that, I'll list it down below for you. So there's that. And then besides the other thing I've got to put in here for my clothes, I'm done. So I don't have everything I need yet for my carry-on, so that'll be a separate video when I can get all that together. But I hope you guys had an amazing time. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like down below. It helps me go further up in the search results for these kinds of videos. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. The word I'm looking for here.
checked baggage.